Greetings, my VISB family all over the world. This is your chief, guys, and I'm losing my voice slightly. We just finished 4 days running ISB online, which I believe was one of the most magical achievements of the in-service brotherhood. I'm so proud of the Alliance, the core in-service, the V Corporate Warriors. We pulled off what I believe was one of the greatest events. After the success of Zone, we did this ISB with 270 lucky participants who qualified to be of this ISB. And it was so emotional. I just said goodbye to all of them. All right, send them my love. If you're watching, guys, the ISB graduates, welcome to the in-service brotherhood. This is your chief saying I love you guys so much. And to everyone today watching my Wednesday message, welcome to week 48. All right. It's the first week of rank advancement. Don't take it for granted. Push harder this week than you ever have. And I was just thinking while walking into the room, by the way, this is after 1.5 years, I'm recording my Wednesday message with my trusted brother Mike behind the camera. So it's not my iPad on my dining table. We are in the QI tower and Mike is back recording this Wednesday message. So it's an emotional moment for me and Mike. Don't ask me why, okay? We've been through a long journey together, recording amazing videos. And I was just thinking what to share with you. And I realized there's nothing better I can share of my personal realization and what I shared with everyone over the last 4 days of ISB. Now, if you're watching the Wednesday message, you could be a brand new guy. Welcome to the greatest network marketing organization on the planet. If you've been around for a long time and you're going through some ups and downs, stay strong. Never give up. And if you are building a huge team and you've been with us for 10, 15 years, all right, have a paradigm shift that this is just the beginning, all right, of your real journey with us. And I was just thinking today, and I was messaging my mentor, our visionary, Dato Sri Vijay, and thanking him for building this organization on the foundation of service above self, that we believe in servant leadership, that we are here to serve you. You should be there to serve your downlines. And I realized that one of the main reasons why we have lasted for 23 years and grown bigger and stronger every single year is because of this DNA that Dato Sri Vijay and Japa instilled in all of us from day one. That we are here to make money, fair enough, but we are here to serve above self, to make a difference in people's lives. So to the new kids who just signed up and joined this amazing organization, QNet and the V, right? I wish you all the best. I want you to max out. But what is most important, that you recognize the fact that this organization, this family, is about you, your growth, your evolution, you growing to become better every single day. And Dato Sri said, if you just change 1% a day, in 1 year you would have improved 37 times, all right, from who you are today. And I wanted to share with you guys what I realized this ISB. First thing I realized that's so important is that the only thing holding us back, holding you back, all right, holding me back in the early years before I learned as much as I can from Dato Sri Vijay and change and evolve, is yourself. Your greatest enemy is within you, all right, in the form of this ego, this monster that has been built within you over years of listening to crap and being influenced by negativity, all right, and this ego is holding you back from being who you truly are. And I told the ISB participants that don't look at the years you have been in this business. Don't count the days and months you have been in IR. Right? Because what you need to realize, if you have not achieved the success you desire, if you're not hitting the checks you've been hitting, don't worry. I know the reason. The reason is from the day you signed up, it has not been you who has been building your business. It's been your ego. An ego that is focused surprisingly on your failure, on destroying the relationships you're trying to build, the insecurities you have, the fear. The source is that ego. And right now, you need to recognize that fact. Talk to your uplines, come to ISB, come to Zone, come to VCon and fight back against that ego and win. And then start building your network as who you truly are. Because I believe that each one of us are born with this limitless potential. And the only thing stopping you from unleashing this limitless potential is that ego, your enemy within. There is no enemies out there. Regardless of what happens, it happens. Like Dato Sri Vijay says, single blade of grass cannot move without his will. So things will constantly happen to us which are not in our control. But how we choose to react is the mistake. Because all this time, the only thing you've been doing is reacting and reacting and reacting and reacting. As Dato Sri Vijay says, you need to respond positively. Fight back the negativity with your positivity. Fight back with your success. If people laugh at you, the sweetest revenge is not fighting back, is achieving great success. That is the sweetest revenge. And I realize that many of you have been struggling, all right, throughout this journey. And the reason is very simple. There's only one thing holding you back. That's yourself, that ego, that enemy within. Fight back that enemy. Start winning more battles. Create a life of discipline, commitment, consistency. All right, counsel your upline consistently. All right, refocus back on your dream every single day and remember your why. Why are you doing this? Who are you doing this for? All right, and that will dispel the power of that ego and your true self will come out. And your true self was born to be a max out king or queen. I promise you that. And then I was sharing with the ISB participants in a nutshell that, you know, we go through life. It's a long journey, and you and me, we had good times, bad times, tough times. We've been through challenging times. And every time something negative happens to us, the mistake we make, we hang on to that negative memory. We hang on to the pain we have been through. We hang on to the hurt that has been done onto us. And how do we hang on to it? All right, we carry these big rocks on our back. So everything negative, all the pain, everything that you have been through, your failures, all right, everything you've been through, you put these heavy rocks in a knapsack. And then you try to run towards max out. You try to fly towards max out. It's not possible. Some of you are crawling on the floor because that knapsack is so heavy with your life negative experiences that you didn't let go, that you carried with you every single day. And that knapsack is so heavy and you're struggling to even get one sign up, to hit your first step, your second step. All right? And all you need to do is let go of those rocks. Take those rocks out and throw it away. Let go of the past. All right? Keep the beautiful memories. Keep the strength-giving memories. Let go of the pain, the hurt, the distrust, the broken relationships. And only then can you lighten the burden on your shoulders so you can run and inshallah fly towards max out. Don't carry the burden of your past into this journey that you are aiming for financial freedom. You need to come into this journey with freedom in your mind. That the past can hold you back. Don't allow it to. You are now with us. You are with a great family filled with love. All right, we back you up. We will fight your battles with you, but we will never abandon you. Dato Sri Vijay will always be by your side. Just remember that and just let go of the burdens of your past, that you're starting a brand new journey of changing your lives, making your dreams into a reality, making a difference in the lives of people around you. And I just want you to remember this. On this journey, right? You're not alone. Japa is with you. Dato Sri Vijay is with you. I am with you. Everyone, the V partners, AVPs, V Council, Coin Service, Alliance, all the corporate warriors of the V, QNet, Q Lifestyle, we are all with you on this journey. And the only thing you have to remember that this is your journey. And remember the 10 most powerful 2-letter words. If it is to be, it is up to me. As Dato Sri said just yesterday to me. That this is your journey. Alright? You have the strength. You have the wisdom. You have the support. And I just want you guys to run. Don't crawl. Like Dato Sri Vijay says, don't crawl when you were born to fly towards financial freedom and max out, guys. And finally, I shared with them a philosophy that I've lived by every single day since 2007, when I got this great realization and lesson from my mentor, my brother, Dato Sri Vijay, that there are no mistakes in the master plan, that a single blade of grass cannot move without his will. That simply means that you signing up for QNet was not an accident. It is meant to be. It was even decided before you were born that this must be part of your journey. Right? You need to recognize the fact that whatever happens to you happens for a reason. And that reason, if you face a crisis, you face a challenge, the reason that that is put in your master plan, in your life journey, is to make you stronger, to make you realize that within you there is a warrior, there is a lion that's meant to come out. Alright? And remember this, that every person who comes in your path of life ultimately was sent by him for you to learn a lesson, for you to realize the value of relationships, for you to realize that this journey of life is a beautiful journey if you embrace that his plan has no flaws. If you embrace that a single blade of grass cannot move without his will. That everything you are going through happens for a reason greater than you can ever understand. Embrace it, but never stop, never slow down, never give up. And I promise you, as long as you never give up, guys, you will achieve greatness. It's meant to be. It is written so in your master plan. And ultimately, this journey is unpredictable. It has its ups, it has its downs. And if you ask every max out king, every max out queen, all the V partners, AVPs, V Council, they will tell you their story of the day they fell down and how Dato Sri and Japa helped them get up again. So just remember one thing. I cannot guarantee you when you're going to max out. I can't guarantee you the exact date. I can't guarantee you what's your check next week. All I can guarantee you, this journey is a beautiful journey. It's not easy. It's going to be tough. You're going to be knocked down over and over again. And the only thing you have to remember, go to VTube Plus, find that video where Dato Sri Vijay says, get up again, get up again, get up again, get up again. And if you remember that life is not only the ability to succeed, but the ability to fail and get up again, that is what truly defines a warrior leader. That is what my journey has been. I've been knocked down many times. It's not the number of times you get knocked down, but it's your ability to get up again. And no matter what knocks you down, a crisis, a newspaper article, a Google search, a downline who leaves you, an upline who abandons you, doesn't matter. Just remember these 3 words: get up again, get up again, get up again. And make that your life mantra, guys. And this is your chief telling you, no matter what happens, we are with you every step of the way. Make week 48 one of your greatest weeks. I love you guys. And to all the ISB participants who just finished the camp, thank you for allowing us to share our hearts with you. And thank you for opening your hearts and allowing us in. This is your time to rise. This is your time to shine. Love you guys.